Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and I wanted to make a quick video explaining Frontier Airlines Discount Den program. So this is a little program or discount club or whatever I joined like a year ago because I was doing a ton of traveling to different conferences and just personal trips, whatever. In Chicago, we have good connectivity with the O'Hare Airport, and there's a ton of flights that with Frontier, and they're expanding now, right, like to Puerto Rico and all these other places. So if your airport that you fly out of most of the time has Frontier Airlines flights, this little program that costs like $60 a year gives you extra discounts on top of what Frontier already, they have low prices usually. So if you sign up for this discount den program, you get additional discounts on top of their normal fare prices. So I've used this. It's really useful. I mean, I have both the discount den and the all you can fly pass through Frontier, which I made another video about. So this is good. If you fly enough for $60 a year, you and the people that you fly with actually gets discounted as well. I mean, yeah, they're not like a fancy airlines, but if you travel a ton, like I did 12 trips this year. It definitely adds up. And then especially the people, if you fly with other people, your discount den membership allows them to save as well, as long as they're flying with you. So yeah, this is a cool little program. If your airport near you flies with Frontier, I think it's totally worth it. The only thing is if you fly like once a year or something, probably not. But if your airport does have a ton of Frontier flights, and if you travel a ton, I think it's totally worth it, because even if you book like 2 round trips, you'll usually save like, a little bit, and the membership pays for itself. And then anything on top of that is just savings.